Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by Information is Beautiful, May 1st, 2020. Today's visualization is about a global effort to restore 350 hectares of land is on track to succeed. It's estimated that 30% of the world's arable land suffers from degradation. The Bonn challenge is about restoring it. This doesn't just benefit the environment. It makes economic sense, too. Trillions of dollars can be gained by managing land, protecting forests, conserving soil and water. It could improve the lives of 3 billion people. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.